baby, watch.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today to give you my 1 month review of this hair that I have in. It's Longqi Malaysian Body Wave, and the lengths I have in are 24, 24, 22, 20, and an 18-inch closure, you guys. Yeah, 4 bundles and a closure. So, my first video before this one, I just showed you how the hair came, what it looked like, which I didn't get to wear it, so I didn't give you much in that first review. So now I come back 1 month later, after I have been wearing this hair for a bit, to tell you the pros and cons and how I feel about it. So if you'd like to find out, stay tuned and let's get started. Alright everyone, like I stated, it was 4 bundles and it's Malaysian Body Wave. And I went longer this time, you guys. 24, yeah, 24 lengths I went this time. And I did 4 bundles too. I wanted more of a fuller wig, you know, which I got with the 4 bundles, and I'm absolutely loving it. Now the hair is still soft, and I straightened it, you guys, see? It's straightened this time. My first review I had it curly. Now I straightened it. Yeah. And as you can see, it straightens very well. So, let me get into how this hair is faring, because I have been wearing it now 1 month, 4 weeks, a little bit. Yeah, so, like I said, the hair is still soft. Okay? And, but I do get some shedding, you guys. Yeah, I do get some shedding with this hair. Not excessive shedding. That's a big problem, but I do get some shedding with this hair. Yeah. But otherwise, it's still soft. I think that's the only con I have with this hair. Yeah. And so I get a little more shedding with it. But otherwise from that, the hair is really nice and soft, as you can see. And the ends are nice. Very nice. Yeah. After 1 month, you guys, this hair is still holding up very good. Now remember, I do have it on wig. I make my units on wigs. That's why I wear them. So I don't sleep in them. I take them off, put them back on, you know, and out the door I go. Yeah. But like I said, I really love this unit. The hair from the Longqi Malaysian. Yeah, you guys, Malaysian. I'm always doing Brazilian. So I took some Malaysian texture. See how it works out, and it's pretty good. You know, it's very nice. I like it. It's very similar to Brazilian to me, the Malaysian, but it's very nice. Now let me show you the lengths of the hair. Yeah, this is how the hair looks with this length. It's nice and long, 24, comes down very long. And as you see here, when you put the hair back, because it's the longer lengths, which I like since I'm realizing this, the longer lengths, the hair will stay back. Yeah, with the shorter length, it drops more to the front. But with this longer length now, the longer length on top, the closure, the hair stays back when I put it back, as you can see. So if I'm out and I don't want the hair in front of me, I put it back and basically stays back, which I like. Yeah. So try longer length closure, you guys. They're very nice. Yeah. Alright everyone, I'm going to leave a link below to Longqi Hair Company, so you can go over and check out the bundles that they have. And I also have a coupon code for you guys for $4 off your order. I'll have that down in the description bar too, for you guys to go over. Check them out. Get some hair for yourself. Remember what I said? Try the long bundles, you guys. The long closure, I should say. Either a long closure, or if you want to use the frontals, get a long frontal. You know, because it's much nicer to keep the hair back when you choose to. You know, that's another option when you're wearing your hair. Yeah, if you get kind of hot, throw everything to the back, and there you go, and it will stay with the longer lens. The shorter lens, it will tend to fall forward. The longer lens, it stays backwards, and I like that. Yeah, I'll be doing more longer lens, I think. I like it. Alright, remember, I'll leave everything in the description bar below for you guys to go check out what they have going on right now, you know, and get some hair for yourself. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the review that I had to do today, my 4-week update on this Longqi Malaysian Body Wave in 24, 24, 22, 20, and an 18-inch closure. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.
Tell me where he gone. Tell me why you may not hear.